Hi everyone, Alessandro, day 6, the whole self-healing form. So we've done the legs, we've done the arms. The whole form, we start off, the feet parallel, about the width of the shoulders. Push the hands down towards the feet. Come up the inside of the body, open to the side as far as you can go. Come up as far as you can go. Look up, shake the back of the head. Just clear any heaviness off the head. Come down the back of the head without touching. Front, lower back, through the hips, down to the feet. Turn, come up the inside. Open. So this is moving the energy all the way down the outside of the legs, down to the feet. Turn, come up the inside. We're opening the front part of the body, pushing the energy down the back of the body. Down to the feet, turn, come up the inside. So this takes in the whole body, and as we did earlier, you can break it down just for the legs, just for the arms. And this is a very good exercise to purify your energy system, to move the heavy element or energy down to earth, and the pure element comes up to the head, so it helps to clear the head and the mind as well. We'll do 3 more times, so you can do quite a few in a short time. One of my friends had quite serious problem with energy, was always tired, and she used to do this 500 times a day, and it really helped to clear her energy system, but only took about 15 minutes or so. So whatever's needed. Now you just push down to the feet, have a pause, sense the effect of this, if you like, reorganizing your energy system, purifying and self-healing form.